It's a 2008 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Auxiliary audio input, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, power sliding left and right rear passenger doors, manual rear side window blinds, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive highlights its improved car-like ride and handling, a more powerful and fuel-efficient 255 horsepower V6 engine, and a clever seating system that can accommodate up to 8 passengers. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.